5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 6 left 50, turn 6 right over crest. 36 right and long 6 left. Into turn 6 left. Into long 6 left. And clear 5 right over crest and turn 4 left. 50, turn 3 right. And long 5 left opens. And turn 6 right tightens for long 3 and turn 2 left. 50 long 5 right over crest. Into long 5 left split and turn 5 right and narrow gate gravel. And long 5 right. And very long 6 left. Into 4 right into here 4 left tightens and narrows. And long 4 right over crest. Into 6 left tightens to 3. Into long 6 left tightens 30. 6 left into 4 left over crest. And 4 right 30 into 4 left tar split. 30 turn hairpin right. And 6 right over crest. And 6 left tightens to turn hairpin left. Into long crest and 2 right. 30 turn 5 left. Into turn 4 right over crest 30. Long 6 right into turn 5 left. 56 left and long 6 right at wall. 70 turn 6 left. And long 6 left split time. And 5 right. And 6 left 30 double caution turn 4 left through narrow gate gravel. And long 6 right and 6 crest 50. Here long 5 left tightens to 4 narrows. And 6 right over crest 30. Caution 3 left through narrow gate. And 6 left 70. Here 6 right and 4 left narrows. Into long 5 left over finish to stop.